Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about Groove for Freelancer. The best way to replace all your marketing and automation tools is with the Groove platform. Helping company grow with technology. Times are getting tougher for your clients and customers. This will negatively affect your bottom line drastically. Now's the time to reconsider why you're wasting over $3,000 a month for 18 apps that Groove can do for free. Groove's startup plan includes email marketing to your contacts, unlimited custom domains, pages hosting, multiple gateways including GroovePay, Stripe, PayPal, and more, unlimited import pages, share funnels, templates, integrations, products, unlimited e-commerce stores, membership site platform, professional marketing videos, and more. Groove is a recession-proof technology for your business. Groove replaces all of these tools. Get started. It's free. No credit card is required. No trial period. Thank you. I hope that information helps. If you would like to learn more about that software for your business, please click on the link in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye.